Hey, g'day guys. This is another S Group review video. This is video 118 now. So yeah, some big things going on here. So I'm going to do a withdrawal in this video actually to show you guys. So I'm going to enjoy this money that I've made over the last month. So the money at the top right here, $465.40. I'm going to take that out. So first step you got to do is go to the finance section here, and you're going to go to the withdrawal tab, and it does cost around here, as you see it says 1 SWCT to take the money out. So I got to subtract a dollar from that, so it's going to be $464 into my S wallet. So I have to go back to the S wallet here, guys, which I logged into in my back office here. This is what you're given to. It's your digital currency wallet that S Group gives you, so you can transfer funds in and out of the system. So I got to go. The currency is SWCT, so I got to copy this SWCT address. Go over here, paste it in this wallet. Click on withdrawal. Type in the code. There you see the code on the screen, 999370. Hit confirm. And there we go. So if you look at the top right here, guys, you will see this number jump down. I'm going to refresh the page. See, it's down to 4 cents. So now if I go to the finance section here, I will see the withdrawal, as you see right here. See, it says withdrawal in progress, and it shows the amount 464. So what's happening now, guys, is this is in a pending state. It's going to be switching and being transferred over into my SWCT right here, into this section, and it'll update here as well the amount once this has gone through. So it says withdrawal in progress. So yeah, that takes anywhere from, I've seen it like 20-30 minutes up to an hour. And then once it's in here, what I can do is I can transfer it out and then get it into my bank account. So that's kind of my goal. So so that is pretty much that, guys. Another good thing that happened as well, I got a notice from one of my team members. He's going to be investing some money into the system. And what that's going to do, he's actually going to do like 2 or 3 installments. So I'm going to get a percentage of that, and as well as if I go to my careers page, you'll notice I have, there we go, team turnover. So I am $3,000.41 away from 1,000. So over the weekend, he's going to be putting in more than 1,000 USD in the system. So I'm going to be getting $1,000 bonus, guys. So when that happens, I will do a video and I'll show you guys. When I do get that money, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take half of it, and I'm going to reinvest it back in the system, and I'll show you guys. Once I do that, as you'll notice, that would take me over the $25,000 tier here. So I'll bump up to this one here, guys. So finally it'll be happening. It should happen sometime this weekend. So it's just an issue of just waiting for everybody to transfer the funds. He's actually going to be buying funds from another member who has a lot of funds in the account. So and then he's going to do an internal transfer so that he can make an investment. So that's coming, guys. But anyways, I just have to wait for the withdrawal. That it says withdrawals in process here. Oh, look at that. It says withdrawal success. Holy smokes, that went through real quick, guys. Transaction. There we go. So it went through. So I noticed with the S wallet, it does take a little while to update here. But it looks like the withdrawal has already went through. Let me just kind of refresh the dashboard, see if it actually shows here. Let me just see. I'm going to go get. Refresh. Yeah, it does take a little while for the amounts to be updated in here, guys, but it looks like the funds have successfully left the back office. Here is the withdrawal in progress, withdrawal successful. So yeah, it did go through right away. So what we'll do, guys, I guess maybe what I'll do is I'll probably do a part 2 of this video, maybe combine videos. But anyways, yeah, that's 5 minutes already is gone. So don't forget to click on the sign up link down below and hit the subscribe button so you can subscribe to my channel. So see you guys either next video or I might combine this video. I'll see what I can do for you. Alright guys, just did a resume video here. That was pretty quick. About 50 minutes later, guess what? The funds appeared in my account. Yes. So the withdrawal request was in progress. It went through, looks like it was 3 minutes later, and then about 50 minutes later it showed up in my S wallet. So from here guys, now excuse me, the next step is I have to get it into my ShakePay account. This will allow me to do an e-transfer to my bank account. So what I have to do here is go to ShakePay. It's what we use up here in Canada. So click on Add Funds. I'm going to do it by Bitcoin. And I'm just going to copy this Bitcoin address here. So it's copied. Next step I have to do here is I have to convert the SWCT into Bitcoin, guys. So I got to go to Exchange. Got to choose SWCT. Got to then choose Bitcoin because I want to change it into Bitcoin. Hit max. Do Exchange. Wait for that to go. Done successfully. Go back to the dashboard. So remember that was $4.64, so it went down to $4.50. So there is some fees involved, guys, if you do an exchange. But again, it's all just earnings, so I don't mind the small fees. So now it's in Bitcoin. So now I'm going to hit, I'm going to send this off. I'm going to send Bitcoin. Got to enter in my wallet recipient address. I'm going to double check one last time. So it starts with 3D and ends in FJN. 3D, FJN. I'm going to do the max Bitcoin amount, hit send. Then I'm going to have to enter in a couple codes here, guys, to finish up the process. So you're going to see a code come through in the next little bit here. It's a 638425. 638425, okay. And the next code I got to do is one through email here, guys. So I got to check my email, which I'm doing so on my phone real quick here. And I got to enter in 554916. And then I hit send. And lo and behold, withdrawal request has been sent. So all the funds, if I go back to the dashboard, has been removed from here. So now I just have to wait for the funds to appear in my ShakePay account. So I think what I'm going to do is pretty much the same thing. Oops, I think I logged out of my ShakePay account. Interesting. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, back in. Okay, so I just have to now wait for the funds to show up here in the BTC section, and then I'm going to be converting them to Canadian. So I guess I'll pause the video here and I'll do the same thing I did the last video, and I'll just merge them all together. So yeah, I'll be right back. Once this shows up, I'll do another video. So I'll see you guys in the next video or in the next continuation of this video. Guys, I'm back here. So it looks like I just got a notification. It was about 10 minutes after when I cut the last video. I got the funds in my account here, as you see. So if you look back here, I see at the time it was say when the money was transferring, it says hash is coming. So if I refresh this page, so say I go back to dashboard, I go to transactions. Oh, okay, so I guess it's just finishing up. So I just have the funds in my account here, $596.19. So what I have to do now here, guys, I have to convert it to Canadian funds. So I got to go sell. I'm going to go to Bitcoin, to Canadian funds, max. So I'm actually going to get $588.10. So I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to go confirm. There we go. So now it's in Canadian funds. So at this point, guys, I can transfer this amount to my checking account. Okay. So what I have to do is I have to go. I believe I have to go to send. There we go. Yeah, and then I have to go wire transfer. Oh, sorry, Interact e-transfer rather. Sorry. Okay, and then here we go. I can do max amount, and I hit send. And there we go, guys. So this is the security question, and I now can, I'll be getting an email momentarily to transfer the funds into my checking account. So that's pretty much the whole process, guys, from start to finish, doing a withdrawal. I just got some more bonus that came in from another member, and so look for another video in the next day or two. I should be getting my $1,000 bonus, and then I'm going to take part of that, reinvest it back into the system, and then I'll be at the $25,000 tier. So that should be coming in the next couple days, guys. So see you guys in the next video then.